Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 methods on how to change your YouTube layout on PC. First method I will show you is using the Chrome browser. First is open up Chrome and type in Chrome Web Store. Click on the first link and then here we type in uBlock Origin. Click on the first one and then add to Chrome. We add extension and then wait for it to download. Once it's done downloading, we click on the extensions on the top right corner here and we pin uBlock Origin. It will be easier to navigate uBlock Origin this way. After pinning the uBlock Origin, we click on the uBlock Origin icon, we go to settings, we go to my filters, and then we type in here the code that will be available on the description below. Once you have posted the code, we click on apply changes and then we restart Chrome. The second method is to log in with a different account. on YouTube. And then the last method is to use another browser, whether it be Opera, Microsoft Edge, Brave browser, or Firefox. That will be all for this video. If you liked the video, click on that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.